Use the ramen rate link in description.
Alright, so here is yesterday's Lego calendar. It's a skateboard and a helmet. Very nice. And today for our main attraction, the Advent calendar, we have number 13. Let's see what it is. More Soba. It is time for teriyaki in a pack. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And this is Nissin Soba teriyaki flavor. It's day 13 of the Nissin Germany Advent calendar, which means it is December 13th, 2025. So, how are you doing? I'm feeling like incredibly better compared to yesterday. Yesterday I felt like I was gonna die, but I didn't, and that's a plus. So, let's see. We have skillet. We got that. And we have noodle. And we are going for a whopping 3 minutes on here. It's a big day, ladies and gentlemen. It's my daughter's birthday party. And Wednesday will be the big day when she has her birthing a day. So that'll be cool. I guess some places are still flooding around here. Not here, though. Maybe we'll see some proof that there's been flooding somewhere, but I don't know. Today's supposed to be a decent-ish day, less precipitation, and then starting tomorrow it'll be just rain forever. So go get your stuff and then stay away again. That'll be kind of the deal, I'm guessing, if your stuff is in a flooded area. I don't know. Well, I saw pictures of the area where I grew up in Anacortes. If you go east of Anacortes, you hit Mount Vernon and Burlington and the Skagit River. The images I saw are just nuts. Just really, really, really high. A lot of rivers around here have hit a record. So that's a thing. And that's what's going on. Oh, God. Okay, where is it? No, really. Where the is it? Did I do it? Ooh, that was close. Almost when it did go into the trash. Wow. But I got it. It's been rescued. Whew. So, when I did the Nissin miso deme ramen a while back, I did the same thing, but it went way deep in the trash, as far as I know, and I never found it. Luckily, they sent more this year, and I did find it, or I never lost it, but yeesh. Okay, maybe not. I'm not 100% yet, but I'm getting there. I am good. I don't know. Yesterday, I just felt awful. I got my second shingles vaccination, and it was just horrible. I can't tell you. It was so horrible. But I'm feeling much better today. Feeling footloose, fancy-free. Such. You should check out this show if you haven't. It's called Pluribus. It's worth watching. It's on Apple TV. We ended up with free Apple TV because of, what do you call it? T-Mobile. They give you a free jump. We got like 6 months of it for free. I think we ended up getting more than that for free. But they got some good stuff on there. Here's our goo. Definitely want to turn that off because the last time I did this, yeah, I gotta get you off. But there's a lot of liquid this time though. What the heck? I don't want all that liquid. So I'm gonna actually let you cook longer to get rid of that liquid. Huh, the other pot that I used, it worked great. It'll only take a second to get rid of this extra liquid. Saucy, that's okay, but soupy, that is not okay. I had an interesting run-in on Reddit yesterday where this guy was saying everybody's complaining about the ultra spicy stuff from South Korea, which has not been my experience, let me tell you. But yeah, it's either one or the other of the South Korean varieties. People just won't shut up about it. It's like, try different things. Look, this is from Germany. It might be harder for you to get if you're in the States, but you know, make an effort. Try new things. There we go. Alright. So first things first, we got to give this a try. So the first one of these that I had during this advent calendar, I believe, was the classic. And I absolutely adore that one. That one is just like your standard Teriyaki soba. It's got the notes of tamarind. It's a little salty, a little sweet. Let's try this teriyaki. Cheers. It's not bad. I just gotta say, I really the top of the pops for me on this stuff is definitely the standard Teriyaki soba. This isn't bad. Alright. No egg today. I'm not prepared for such things. If I can get away with it, no egg tomorrow either. It's not that I don't have egg, I just don't have any egg that's been prepared in a way that I standardly prepare egg. Add a little, yeah, we'll do it like that, okay. There's that. Here's my blowtorch. We'll do our scallions real quick. I'm gonna do them all over the place. I don't know. Wow, he's going nuts. But not too nuts, I don't think. Seems like the Christmas music is behaving today. It's not too horrible. Yeah. Okay. Time to make a mayo piping bag, folks. I'm gonna try to do this and use a lot of bag, or a lot of the plate. Okay, that was. It's like whatever happened to saxophone in popular music. There was like a certain time in the 80s where like there was a lot of saxophone, and it was mostly like Australian music, it seemed like. Come on. That'll work. Alright, so the standard mayonnaise in one end, slice the corner off in the other, and then you have your very own magical piping bag. So let's get this going. That worked out better than expected. Cool. Sesame seed. More sesame seed. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Oh, yeah. I can't wait till my regular shichimi shows up. This stuff's from Taiwan. There's a little bit of sprank. Alright, and there you go. Look at that. It's a plate of yakisoba. Alright, Rotato, do your stuff. That went really quick. There'll be another one for tomorrow, but that is it for me for today. So thank you for watching. I'm going to go to a party and party it up. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.